Ramstein Alloy, it's not just another exercise, it's the exercise that we do here every 3 times a year with every rotation. It's a great opportunity for all nations that participate or they are just nearby, just Poland or Germany, that to get together, to train together in a special environment like this part of the NATO is. And we join all together, the tankers, the fighter jets, the controllers, and we plan together, we fight together, we debrief, and we bring back home some lessons learned. We are not here alone, we are here on the shoulders of giants because we've been doing here for a long time, so now we are getting really good. For example, when the hoses are free, you call, I'm ready to get some gas in these code words that we have for that. They clear you, and then you are close to the hose, and then when you are clear, you approach, you contact, and there's this positive flow. It depends on how much fuel do you need, but normally a minute per 2,000 per 3,000 pounds, so it goes pretty fast to get the gas. It is indeed a dangerous operation, but the thing is we do it every time, we do it in the same way, so your brain gets used to what you want to see, the velocity, the way you approach the big jet is in a way that you are not going to break anything. But it's just a usual operation. We do it every other week, so we are used to do that in a safe manner. Now I understand that NATO is this common language. It might be English, but there is something underneath, which is they are the procedures. For example, if I am embedded with some Germans flying, that means I pretty much know how they're going to conduct their operation. Of course, there is some personality in every nation, in every unit, but we can transfer here, train the next day. There is no warm-up phase. We don't need really too much to work together.